Hello my lovely people, thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about something really exciting. Today's video is all about LED hair care and skincare. If you've been following me on Instagram, you probably know that I am obsessed with LED skincare and hair care. I've been going on and on about this for so many years. On that note, please follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of fun content too. If you're looking for LED products that actually get the job done and are not just gimmicky, really poor quality, then this video is for you because Amazon is flooded with so many products and it can get so confusing. Before we dive into the video and I break down every single product for you, please subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube community. All of the products in today's video are from Protouch. I absolutely love this brand. It's all over Nykaa, even Amazon. A couple of years ago, I was scrolling through Amazon because I really wanted a good LED face mask and I came across Protouch. This brand had some of the best reviews and all the other brands had just horrible reviews, a lot of photo reviews, a lot of video reviews, and I just didn't want to put my money into a product that I never heard of. I took my chance on Protouch and I've never looked back. So let's start with the first ever product that I bought from Protouch. This is the LED face mask. It looks so cool. Even though it looks super delicate, it is very sturdy, but I would recommend not storing it just by itself. It comes with this box, super sturdy. Do not throw this away because you want to store your face mask in a nice spot where it doesn't get damaged. This is how you're going to put it on your face, like so. This is what it looks like from the side. This is so lightweight, and the best part is that it can be recharged right here. This is the port. It also comes with its own charging cable. Very, very convenient. Now, I know what you're thinking. What does this actually do? Do you see these lines right here? Now, these are all of the LED strips. When you switch this on, this is the red light. This is the blue light. This is the orange light. Now, because I have natural light as well as studio lights, it's not that visible on camera. So I'm going to leave tiny videos on the screen where you can see this clearly. So when you put this on your face like so, you can change the light settings. And then you leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes max. Let's understand what do these different colors do. Now, the blue LED light has antibacterial properties, so it's going to be really good for acne-prone skin. Even if you don't have acne-prone skin, if you have tiny breakouts that you really want to reduce overnight or even within a few days, this really helps. I have combination acne-prone skin and this has been a game changer for me. You'll notice that I don't break out as often as I used to because I've been using this consistently. Even the tiniest pimple, the tiniest blemish, I'm going to whip this out because it actually gets the job done. I am not exaggerating, guys. It's been almost 2 years now that I bought this, and when I was looking for this, my skin was in really bad shape. Of course, I do use good skincare products and I did get micro needling done as well, but I felt like the acne just wouldn't stop. I tried benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, azelaic acid, all the acids out there, but honestly, the acne just would come and go, and I figured that it had a lot to do with bacteria. It could be from your phone, it could be from your pillow covers, and I am really consistent with my hygiene. I change my pillow covers every other day, but even then I would just keep breaking out. But ever since I've started using this, the acne has reduced so much. The sides of my face especially, guys, I used to get so much acne there. This does the job. The easiest way to think of this is natural benzoyl peroxide because blue light really kills that bacteria. So if you have acne prone skin, this is a setting that you will absolutely love. The next is the red light therapy. Now this is viral all over TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. It really lives up to the hype, guys. If you want firmer skin, if you want to boost collagen production, if you want to improve the quality of your skin, reduce excessive texture, any uneven skin tone, uneven patches, uneven lines that are just randomly appearing, then this is the setting you should choose. You all know that I love my beach holidays, and what that does is it damages your skin. So your collagen production is going to reduce significantly. And even once you've crossed 20, your collagen in your entire body drops by 1% every single year. Having a healthy diet is like a mandate. It's the basic thing you need to do. But apart from this, stuff like LED light therapy will really transform your skin. What I noticed with red light therapy is that the fine lines on my face reduce significantly. Now, if you're like me and you get a lot of allergies because of dust, pollution, pollen, India is so polluted, especially Bombay City. I've been trying to adjust to the weather in India for so many years, but it's just not happening, guys. My eyes get runny, my nose gets runny. I have this inflammation under my eyes. It's not a good time. The skin goes through a lot with these allergies. I've noticed that my under eyes get so puffy and those fine lines, oh my god. In that case, this red light therapy really works. It reduces all of that puffiness really well. It really strengthens my skin barrier, improves my skin texture. I absolutely love it. If you're 18 plus, LED light therapy is for you. You could be 50, you could be 60, 70 as well. This is great for your skin. Next is the orange light therapy. This is great to fade acne marks and brighten your complexion. If you have a lot of hyperpigmentation, a lot of acne marks, then this is going to work for you. Of course, red light therapy also works, but this is more effective on marks. So when I had a lot of acne marks, I would use the blue light therapy. After a few minutes, I would use this and then do my skincare. You can also just use this by itself for a whole week and then get back to your red light therapy, whatever works for you. A lot of times I would do red light in the morning, blue light at night, but honestly, you don't need that much in a day. This light is also great if you've just come back from a beach holiday and you've got this uneven tan, then use this. The next one from Protouch is the Skin Lift device. It's so easy to travel with as well. I absolutely love it. It's got 3 settings, red, green, blue, and hot, which gives you this thermal heat. To switch this on, you have to long hold this and the light will go on with a sound. You also have blue light and green light right here. Now, just by itself, this doesn't vibrate, but when you bring it closer to your skin and actually apply pressure, it's going to vibrate. Can you hear that? I'm going to try and increase the sound here so that you can hear the vibration. The face mask is for your entire face, but this is to give you that lift and also help in lymphatic drainage. It gives you this gentle massage as well, which is perfect if you want to drain any of that puffiness away from your face. Now, green light is something different. In the face mask, we have orange light. Here we've got green. Green helps to reduce excessive melanin production and reduce all of those dark spots. It's got these sensors right here, so when you bring it closer to your face, it's gonna have this. Can you hear that? This is a sonic vibration that helps to stimulate your lymphatic drainage. It also helps to massage your skin. The vibration is pretty loud, you guys, but it's also so calming. It's so therapeutic. I've used every possible face tool, suction cups, gua sha, jade roller, vibrating jade roller, everything. And this is my current favorite for many months. It's got 3 different light therapies. It vibrates really well. It's also got this heat mode that is so calming. For me, especially when I get a flu or if I have a lot of sinus congestion, if I feel like my body feels too stiff and puffy, I use the red light mode with the heating and it feels so nice. The mucus, all of that phlegm is drained really well. My jaw doesn't feel that stiff too because we have a lot of mucus glands right here. I feel like my face feels less puffy every time I've used this consistently. This has been a game changer for me, guys, especially in the AM routine. My face gets so puffy, especially on my periods, and this does the job. To get the maximum results of this right here, these drops are fantastic. This is the Skin Lift Recovery Drops, really rich in hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, beautiful to even out your complexion and repair your barrier. Cleanse your face thoroughly and then go in with a few drops of this, especially on those areas where you're going to be massaging your face. You could be massaging your collarbones and even your neck, so apply this there and then go in with this. This formula is super hydrating. It helps to even out your complexion as well. And with a tool like this, the absorption is so much better. This formulation is beginner friendly as well. Nothing over the top. It's not going to trouble your barrier. You can obviously use a normal hyaluronic acid serum as well. Don't use any actives with products like these. You can really wreck your barrier. I would prefer being on the safer side and using something like this. It's so easy to apply this, you guys. This ball right here dispenses only that much product, how much you need. So you're not going to be dropping a lot of liquids on your face unnecessarily. Really good stuff. It doesn't have any strong fragrances and it's super effective. I just love this so much, you guys. It is so easy to carry as well. I love using this on my collarbones. I love using this all around my neck and even my chest area. It really helps to reduce all of that puffiness on your face, and it really helps in draining your lymphatic nodes. I feel like a lot of us have such stiff necks and our face feels so droopy because everything is so stiff. Majority of us don't do any face yoga. Majority of us don't do any stretches or even any muscle movements on our face apart from just talking. So tools like these really work. Now, those were all of the products for your skin. This stuff right here is for your scalp and hair. I've spoken so much about this. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite hair care products in my hair regime. This has a red light setting as well as a blue light setting, just 2 settings right here, because honestly, your scalp doesn't need too many different light therapies. Blue light is great to reduce dandruff. It's great to reduce any infections or any bumps, any acne. If you have a lot of dandruff, a lot of buildup on your scalp, and you have a lot of itchiness, then this is going to be your best friend. If you have a lot of itchiness, a lot of dandruff, then these anti-dandruff drops are going to be superb for you. I don't have excessive dandruff. Actually, I don't have dandruff, but I do get a lot of scalp buildup. I do get a lot of clogged pores and a lot of itchiness, and this has worked really well for me. It's got this watery texture, nothing over the top. It absorbs beautifully, doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel sticky. Great for even summers right now. It's got some salicylic acid, we've got some oligopeptide 29, we've got niacinamide, rosemary extracts, beautiful ingredient list. It gently exfoliates your pores, so it's going to remove all of that buildup. Niacinamide is going to help improve the quality of your scalp health, your scalp skin. We've got some rosemary that helps to boost your hair growth, and peptides, obviously they're fantastic for skin and hair. With a serum like this, I'm first going to apply a few drops all over my scalp and massage it with my fingers, and then go in with this. So just roughly massage it so it's evenly distributed, and then I use this with the vibration and the blue light on. What this does is not only increase the absorption of the product, but at the same time it kills any of that nasty bacteria. When it comes to boosting your hair growth, red light is super effective. It helps to boost collagen production. It's going to help boost your hair growth. It's going to improve that blood circulation as well. If you have a lot of hair fall, then this is the light setting you're going to need. It really helps to improve the quality of your skin, therefore improving the quality of your roots, quality of your follicles, and improving the quality of your hair. Red light is fantastic to repair your skin, to repair your muscle, to repair your tissues. A lot of people who go to the gym also use a lot of red light, big bulbs in their house to improve the quality of their muscles. And red light therapy will also improve the quality of your hair when you're just raking the brush through your hair regularly. This also has a massage mode right here. Pretty sure you can hear it. I'm holding it really close to the mic. This is the other setting, and this is number 3. So there are 3 different settings of massages. I think this is so good if you want to boost that blood circulation, if you want to massage your scalp before your hair oiling, or even if you want to use any hair growth serums. The past few months have been extremely stressful for my family, and I've been very vocal about that as well. And I've had some massive hair fall even in November, December, Jan, and this really worked for me. It reduced the hair fall significantly. I've noticed online there are so many different LED combs, but they don't have a massage therapy in them. So honestly, you're gonna have to buy another product to massage your scalp, which doesn't really make sense. This is going to give you LED light therapy as well as massage. I like to use this just once a day before I do my hair oiling, or even when I'm going to apply a hair growth serum, because I want to stimulate my scalp first so that the absorption is better. This is a tool you need in your hair care routines, guys. I cannot emphasize enough on how amazing this is. I've created reels, I've spoken about this on stories as well. Beautiful stuff. You need to make sure you're cleaning this regularly with a damp cloth. You don't have to soak this in water. Please don't do that. This vibration mode is so good, you guys. It is so therapeutic. I just feel like all my worries disappear. Oh, it feels so good. And those are all of the products from Protouch that I've been trying, testing, and absolutely loving. Some of the best LED products in the Indian market, and even those serums are beautiful. Something even as simple as a USB cord is great quality. I don't have to replace that with something else. Let me know in the comments what was your experience like. In case you've tried any of these products, have you tried any other brand? What was your experience like? Because for me, Protouch has really been nailing it. I've had no issues whatsoever. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and I hope you found it useful. If you did, then please hit the thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any doubts regarding any of these products, and I'll help you out. I'm gonna take your leave now, guys, but before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my previous videos right here. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye for now.